In this video, I'll show you how to install and uninstall apps on your LG Smart TV. So the first thing we need to do is to take your remote control, even if it does not look like mine over here, and you need to find the home button, this one over here with a small house. Tap on it while you're pointing the remote at the TV, and your home screen will appear. Now down below you're going to see many options, and one of them should look like this one over here. It will say apps. Navigate using the left and right arrows and select it. Press enter on your remote control. And here you're going to have all the apps that are available for your LG TV. Apps and games as well. You can browse them using the titles on the top. So if you simply want games, select games and you're only going to see games. If not, you're going to have the other options. If you want to search for a specific app, there is the magnifying glass on the top right corner. If we select it and press enter on the remote control, you're going to have this keyboard appearing and you'll be able to type exactly the app. Let's say I want Spotify. And just by typing it, you're going to see some search results appearing there. You can go ahead with the up arrow and select them. Press the enter on your remote control. This way you don't have to type completely. And the first options over here will be the apps. So if you see it, press the middle button. It will open this page. And by the way, if you want to download any apps on your LG Smart TV, you need to have your LG account connected. If not, they will ask you to connect to your LG account to be able to have access to those apps. So press install once you're here, and you're going to have to wait until this is done. Usually they install pretty fast since they're not using a lot of memory. And at the end, you're going to have this message that it has been installed. You can do two things. Over here, you can press launch to launch the app, or you can press again the home button, and this will display all the apps that are installed on your LG TV. And at the end of these, you're going to see the last app you have installed. So in my case, it was Spotify. It's the last one. It's not very practical to go there every time I want to use it. So once you highlight the app, keep press the middle button here during 2 seconds until this screen appears. And then you'll be able to move it left and right using the arrows on your remote control and put it on the top here, on the first apps. Okay, so I'll press the middle button to put it, then select close. And this time, you see, Spotify is now number 3 instead of being the last one on the list and taking a long time to get it. So here we go. Now we have installed it. What if you do not want it anymore and you want to delete it to make more space? Well, you just have again to press the home button, get on the screen, highlight the app, keep press this middle button once it's highlighted. And here, do not press the side arrows, press the up arrow. And you're going to see a small garbage bin being highlighted. Press the middle button once this happened. It will ask you, are you sure you want to delete Spotify? Blah, blah, blah. This app will be deleted from all accounts logged into this TV. Press the middle button to confirm, and the app will disappear and it will be completely deleted from your TV. Just have to press the close button, and here we go. You can do this with multiple apps. Unfortunately, certain apps, LG does not allow you to delete them. So you'll have to put them at the end of this list if you do not want to see them every time you press the home button. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.